My name is Jessica Garron. I'm a senior science consultant at the Alaska Satellite Facility, and I'm going to be talking to you today a little bit about using interferometry to introduce new and older users to the NISAR mission, slated to launch in 2021. So, for reference, what is interferometry? Interferometry is the use of 2 or more SAR images to measure change detection on the Earth. The signal phase between the 2 or more images are measured and compared. And from that, we're able to determine on the millimeter to centimeter scale different changes in the Earth's elevation. The major applications of this science is for subsidence, ice dynamics, earthquakes, landslides, volcanoes, and other deformation science studies. So in preparation for the upcoming NISAR mission, the Jet Propulsion Laboratory and the Alaska Satellite Facility have partnered to develop a prototypical system for processing SAR data and distributing SAR data from the AWS cloud environment. JPL processes the data using their ARIA science data system, after which ASF picks it up in the cloud using the different tools available from Amazon Web Services, where we then ingest the data, store the data, make it discoverable for users as well as downloadable. We currently are offering 3 different collections of interferograms for users to download at no additional cost. You can access the interferograms through ASF's data portal, Vertex. You can access via the geospatial search over your area of interest, where you will find not only the interferograms over that area, but you will also have access to the Sentinel-1 archive and the supporting SAR data, which we create the interferograms from. You can also access the interferograms directly by going to the Missions tab on Vertex and clicking on the Beta Products tab. Here in the Beta Products tab, you will see the specific areas of interest that JPL is processing interferograms using ARIA currently, and these are the areas where, as new data is acquired, they are automatically processed and put into these areas and the collections. Collections include all interferometric products which are created from the ARIA system, as well as 2 convenience collections where we are separating unwrapped interferograms and coherence maps, as well as the second collection, the full resolution wrapped interferogram and digital elevation model. All of these collections are available for download as zip files. If you're more familiar with the NASA Earth Data Search portal for accessing your data, please find our data there. You can find it using, again, the geographical search, or by filtering your data by the term GRFN, Griffin, Getting Ready for NISAR. All 3 collections are also available from Earth Data and are download via zip file. We are also taking this opportunity to explore new different tools that are available to us in the AWS cloud environment. One of those is the cloud-optimized GeoTiff. Cloud-optimized GeoTiffs are slightly different than your regularly produced GeoTiffs. They are smaller in size, and they are front-loaded with their metadata and the imagery so that it makes them easier or more quickly to download from the cloud and more easily visualizable in your GIS environment. Currently, AWS is only supporting QGIS through the cloud-optimized GeoTiffs, but I heard a lovely little rumor that Esri is on its way to supporting these cloud-optimized GeoTiffs as well. Here we're seeing an RGB image as well as a power image on the right. We are very interested in learning from our users what interferograms they would like to see as GeoTiffs, as well as other level 2 and 3 products. So I invite you to not only download these interferograms and play with them in your computing environment and apply them to your scientific questions, but to learn more about our Getting Ready for NISAR project from the Earth Data website, where there is a comprehensive article written about this Griffin project, which is we have just begun our 2nd year of collaboration between JPL and ASF. We are also interested in hearing from our users via the user feedback survey that you can access at this web link or via the ASF website. And as always, we invite user feedback at uso@asf.alaska.edu.